Welcome to the part 2 of the vlog.
टेक्निकल गुरुजी गर्लफ्रेंड
Look at this. I need to iron these clothes. Like, look at this. It's been lying here for like 4 hours, I guess. So I thought, what better than starting a vlog with a montage? Roll it! I'm going to make my bed in 1, 2. Would you look at that? Now it's 10 o'clock. I brushed my teeth. I did my bed. Now I'm gonna play for an hour. 1 hour later. It's almost 11:30. I saw my result. I got 500 marks out of 625. It's 80%. Not bad. Not bad considering I didn't went to school. I didn't. Okay, I'm gonna sleep now. Bye. I don't know why I did that. I woke up like 6:30 and I was watching YouTube for an hour. Now I'm gonna get ready. Let's see what happens today. Hey, what's up? I am freshen up, all brushed my teeth, had a shower. I'm gonna eat my breakfast and I'm charging my mobile phone because I wanna vlog with this today. Not with this camera. Look at this. 700 mAh? Are you kidding me? Breakfast done. I had pav bhaji. Now I'm gonna dress up. I'm gonna get dressed up. Let's take this shirt. Let's take this pant. Look at me. I look like a waiter. Looks good. After that, I've left my home and went to my buddy's house. Buzz off. Get out of my area, dude. I am here. I'm ready and I'm going. I'm waiting for my vlog buddy. He's coming. कट्ट्या दे राम. हाँ. तुम पप्पा से निकला. होय. किती जाणार आहे तुम्ही यायला?
जावा म्हणजे फ्रेंड आलाय गाडी घेऊन आलाय कार
Nani?
कार
शुभ्याला लागली. काय बी ते बो? स्वतःचा चेहरा बघतोस काय तोंडात त्याच्यामध्ये? My friend finally arrived. दिख रहा है तो चकाचक एकदम सभी पटके तेरे को. Let's go to school. ये लो ब्लॉगर जानो हिंदी ब्लॉग अपने पे नहीं हाँ इंग्रजी English. Now we started moving towards the school and met up with others. Good morning sir. My friend Umsai arrived and started giving technical reviews on Pratham's phone. So Pratham was kind of pissed right there. Well, Pratham was talking something, but when I pulled out the camera, he stopped. Shibanu, where is your girlfriend? Where is your girlfriend? Where is your girlfriend?
तुझा गर्लफ्रेंड कुठे आहे?
माझी नाही रे बाबा.
बॉयफ्रेंड
माझे गर्लफ्रेंड
हा ओपन बर्री हा
उगंबर्री.
हा तिचं वॉर्म वेलकम फ्रॉम ऑल द गर्ल काय म्हणतात त्याला हा गर्ल वॉचमॅन. कशा मामा हे काय करायला बे चला की बोलला चला काय चल की तुम्ही चला आणि कसं आहे कमल्या लेफ्ट हँड
नमस्ते.
नमस्ते भाई बहिणो. काँग्रेस टॉपर दादा 99% मारला तुम्ही. किती झाले आमचे 80 झाले बघा. नाही होते मेरा स्टोरेज.
ब्रो आपका स्टोरेज फुल है क्या?
मेरा स्टोरेज फुल है.
Nope.
मास्कच गेले ना जोक मार लगेच जोक मार. जोक हा येस जोक काय म्हणा हाऊ इट वर्क्स.
Think of a staff member who has been doing a marvelous job lately or someone who has helped. Grab a stick,
Myself.
write down a compliment.
myself ऑर्गनायझर ब्लॉक करायला मॅम. हॅलो हॅलो हाय हाय ब्लॉक करायला ब्लॉग करायला ए वय राजा आमचे कुठे की पैसा घ्यायचा. थांब तिकडेच थांब सबस्क्राईब हा वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चॅनल. myself बनवता myself narcissistic. After that we went inside the hall and they had some preparations for us, like they started with a song. They sang a song for us.
Hi guys, hope you're doing great.
We are here to make some more memories with you all guys. The dance we had,
The games we played,
the shoutings we took together.
everything was so nostalgic.
Nostalgic.
Welcome you all to this favorite party to express our feelings for you. A warm welcome to Anama present here.
आज के इस फेयरवेल में हम एक धमाकेदार मजा सब कुछ करेंगे. अपनी अपनी सीट पकड़ ली. सीट भी पकड़ ली. बड़ी तेज बज रही हो.
Yeah. After that they made a rap for us. Let's beatbox them.
मुझे सब देने के लिए गाया अकेला वहाँ. सब देने का. So let's start with the tricky quiz.
सारे YouTubers
Yeah, they started a quiz and asked show the photos of the YouTubers and told to identify them. So I was shouting, but no one listened to me. But
Wish Yadav.
Yes, it's Elvis Yadav.
Oi, Sakshi.
Okay, next one.
Riksha. Finally, she heard me. I got a YouTuber, but she is Technical Guruji's girlfriend. Technical Guruji's girlfriend.
रसोड़े में कौन था?
Vinod. Sorry for that. And after that, they had kept these events, kind of games that we played. Many of us were selected different types of games. Here's Summer telling me what he got selected. काय तुमचा कुठला टिश्यू रोल बाथरूम मध्ये काम करता? There was another event where you have to keep an Oreo on your head and eat it. How is that even possible? राज प्लेटीतला काढून खातास? बिस्किट खा के यायचे. काय 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 चालू आहे इकडं? पिरामिड करायचं.
Ready everybody?
घरात नाही का पप्पांची क्लास होती.
Please remain the first row.
I handed my camera over to these guys because I got selected in a musical group thing. Yeah. Hey, you have to guess. I don't know any song.
अरे you have to help Papa.
Namrata, you have to guess.
Everything at once.
बोल तो हाथ ऊपर करके. They played 3 songs and we guessed one. And won the event.
Vaishnavi,
काय तुमचं काय होतं?
Vanshi, Vandana,
हा? झालं संडासमध्ये काम घेऊन.
टॉयलेट ओपन करतात
टॉयलेट बंद करतात.
ओपन करतात तर एंडला ग्लास होतात पाणी
हा.
भरून ना आम्ही ते रोल करतात तिथं ओढू ना
हा.
49 सेकंड्स
वर्ल्ड रेकॉर्ड. After every event came to an end, they held a ramp walk for winners, and luckily, we had won one event by just guessing one song. Everyone started ramp walking, but we did something innovative, something that no one had seen. Ramp dance! After that, they gave away some more prizes to these guys who have wore good clothes and shoes, literally. Where the fuck I am? Okay, I mean, I don't care, but bro. After that, we sat behind and started making fun of each other. हा म्हणजे हातानं
मास्क पहनिए, कोरोना बहुत फैल रहा है आजकल. सुनिए न्यूज़, चाइना से आती हुई एक नई बीमारी है, कोविड-19 इसका नाम है.
Fight! Shoryuken! Hadouken! 3, 2, 1.
काय केलंस तुला का देणार? तू केलास तुला का देणार? केलास काय सांग? त्याच्यासाठी तुम्ही टॉपमध्ये मी
Perfect! You win! You lose!
After that, they cut the cake, the farewell cake.
Don't flirt with him.
I'm not going to. Hell. और ये आपका और एक ब्लॉगर मीट वन ब्लॉगर अनिदर ब्लॉगर और ब्लॉगर एंड दिस इज आवर सेठ साजिद शेख. दुबई से आती ये लोग, दुबई से कैसे होती. और ये होती द अमीर में
आमिर द आंधळा माणूस. मिया खलीफा का पति.
और एक बायका
और ये सिद्धू वेड्स. देखिए
सिद्धू वेड्स अनु.
वेदांत, are you getting sponsored from Beardo? This video is sponsored by Royal Stacks.
golden words are not repeated.
WORDS words. मेरा सपना है कि सबके सपने सच में करूं. महात्मा
अपनी गाड़ी
After singing our class anthem, they held a DJ, so we started dancing. While we were getting comfortable while dancing, our principal called for lunch. So we had our lunch and had a photo shoot and then went home. The video is too long, I know that, and if you're still here, that means you like the video. Okay, so drop down a like right now, subscribe the channel, meet you in the next video. Bye.
I couldn't tell the front from the back 'cause she was wearing a cigarette. Woo, what a mess.